Guys, welcome back to another video. Okay guys, today I'm talking about bed bugs and how long they can go without feeding. Through research, it said that bed bugs can go 20 to 400 days without feeding. That's over a year. And I'm going to look at my notes. And its bed bugs can go without feeding for 20 to 400 days, depending on the temperature and humidity. Older stages of nymphs can survive longer without feeding than younger ones. And adults are survived without food for more than 400 days. And this was done in a laboratory, was tested in the laboratory under low temperatures. So bed bugs can survive without feeding for 20 to 400 days. And the older bed bugs, they can survive longer than the younger ones. So the older, mature ones can survive longer than the younger ones. They can survive longer than that 400 days. And this right here brings me back to something that I always say. I always say never stop treating. And this is a prime example of why you should not. If you have bed bugs and you start getting bit, and then you put like the diatomaceous earth down or whatever you use, and then you stop getting bit, and out of nowhere you start getting bit again, this is why. Because you have to continuously treat. You have to continuously treat with the diatomaceous earth. No, you don't have to treat the way you would in the beginning when you have them, and when you're getting bit. Once you haven't been bit for a while and you feel like the problem is solved or it's at a very low minimum, then you don't treat as much, but you make sure that powder is always down. You can leave that powder down once you take care of the issue. You can put the powder down, leave it down for like 6 months. And then 6 months you go vacuum it up. I have a video on how to clean up the diatomaceous earth, and then you reapply. Then you go on about your life for another 6 months. But you never stop treating. Because if you stop getting bit and out of nowhere you start getting bit again, then you're going back through this whole nightmare again. Where if you just keep treating, you will never have to go through the issue again. Once you get it resolved that one time and keep treating, for you it's a done deal. For you it's a done deal. So a viewer had asked me a question about it, so I went on and done a little research, and every time I get every time I get a question that I feel like it may be of help to someone and could give you guys some more information on these bugs, I bring it to you. I present it in a video form. So now you know how long they can survive without feeding. Now you know that it's very important, it's imperative that you keep treating. Never, 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 never stop treating once you encounter these bed bugs. And for those who never encountered bed bugs, it won't hurt you to treat either, so you never will. All right, guys, see you in the next video.